Hi everyone. Today I'm sharing our financial results for the first quarter of FY27. That's the 3 months to the end of June. There's no hiding from the fact it was a really challenging quarter with the ongoing conflict in the Middle East, oil price inflation, and we even had a nasty fire at a key supplier. This hurt us in Q1. However, a lot of hard work by everyone at JLR allowed us to report financial performance that was broadly in line with our guidance, even though it was down a bit on last year. So, to be specific, our Q1 revenues were £6 billion, still a large number, but down 10% year on year. Our quarterly profit, measured as EBIT, was 2.8%, which gave us a profit before tax of £109 million in the quarter. As we look forward, there's little sign of the environment becoming less difficult for us. We'll have to keep managing our costs, but our main focus is launching a stunning range of new cars. We've got Range Rover BEV, a Range Rover Sport BEV, the amazing Jaguar Type 01, and a brand new Range Rover GT, all within a year, and there are more to follow that. So no matter what the future brings, there's no lack of excitement at JLR, that is for sure. Thank you for your time.